All right, here we go. BSC ONYX, single box, team random break number 20. Fifth break of the night. We listed on YouTube as number 20. First thing I do is quickly run through the list of rules one last time for the night. So if there's no identifiable team on the card, then the card will go to the NHL team the player is currently on, or if retired, the team they played the most games with in their NHL career. If there's an Olympic, All-Star team, juniors card, etc., then the card will go to the NHL team the player is currently on, or if retired, the team they played the most games for in their NHL career. If we happen to pull a card of a player who never played in the NHL or has not yet played in the NHL, we'll randomize that card off at the end between all participants in the break. So first thing I'm going to do is randomize the list of participants. So everybody's on here, and the spot numbers that they're requested or the spot numbers that you're placed in. If you purchase one spot in the break, you'll see your name on here twice. If you purchase two spots, you'll see your name on here 4 times, etc. Just double up the list. I'll show you what I mean. So Tripid 2003 had spot number 1. Down to Dejaki, who had spot 15. So where I doubled up the list. So Tripid is also in 16. And Dejaki in 30. Randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Run through that quick. Right, we're going to do the list of NHL teams. So all 30 NHL teams are on here in alphabetical order, starting with the Anaheim Ducks, all the way down to the Winnipeg Jets. We'll randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Great. And copy and paste these lists into my spreadsheet. I'll read off everybody's team. And again, next Saturday, we will be doing hit drafts and random ONYX box breaks again. The random is going to be slightly tweaked, changing it up a little bit with some suggestions we had over the past week. If you're sticking around to the end of the night, I'll explain exactly what we're doing to the randoms. But I think you guys are going to like it a little bit better. All right. So Birdman's got St. Louis, Dejaki, Dallas, DMVP, Florida, GS Knucklehead, Chicago, Big John, Pittsburgh, Underdog, Detroit, Tripid, Arizona, Tripid, Nashville, Tilex, Montreal, Dejacula, Boston, Tripid, San Jose, Tilex, Anaheim, Tripid, Philly, Jupin, Columbus, Big John, Washington, GS Knucklehead, Tampa, Jupin, Calgary, Tripid, Winnipeg, 9515CN, Carolina, Underdog, New York Rangers, Tripid, Edmonton, Underdog, New York Islanders, Birdman, New Jersey, Dejacula, Ottawa, 9515CN, Vancouver, DMVP, Minnesota, Underdog, Buffalo, Tripid, Toronto, Dejaki, LA, and Tripid, Colorado. And this is the last of the 5 boxes for the randoms. No need to pick. Good luck, everybody. Man, unbelievable luck tonight. First up, we've got a raw young gun. This one's going to go to Pittsburgh, Evgeny Malkin. That is going to Big John. Congrats, John. You're on a roll. Jeez. And up next, let me just double check the team here. All right, this is honorable numbers from the Cup. 49 of 61. This is going to Columbus, Rick Nash. And Columbus is Got Columbus. Jupe in 11. Justin. Congrats. That is 9-10 in the cup.